Hey guys, Marcus here. Welcome in Easier with AI. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can build your own invoicing software without any code and also with AI. And I'm going to share with you the example what I've built for my friend. So my friend is not technical at all. She got her own kindergarten and she just likes to play with the kids. She doesn't like to generate things and like make them. And what she asked me was that she's looking for something that she can click, and it's going to generate invoice for her. So this is something I've built for her. So she can easily add clients and delete them. Then on a history, she's gonna find the invoices. Then also for the new invoice, she's gonna just choose the client. She's gonna choose the right here the hours, also the hourly rate, and then the date here, and also the service, and she's going to generate the invoice. That's it. And I made it with AI in matter of like 10 minutes. That I just like wrote the prompt and that was it. So what we're gonna use is base 44. You're gonna have a link down below in the description. So when you're gonna click on it, you will get right here, and you're just gonna create an account. And now what you have to do is that I recommend to go to ChatGPT, and what you want to do is that you want to write ChatGPT the structure. So it's going to expand for you. Write ChatGPT like I want to make my own invoicing software and I just need the categories. So structure. Now give me for I want to have their history, the generation of invoices, items, also clients, and history of invoices. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now is that, look at that, it's going to generate me all these things. And again, you can like have it to whatever you want, right? So I'm going to take it now. I'm going to go to base 44. Hey there, I want you to build me an invoicing software. Here are the categories. Okay, and you're just going to write it and then it's going to start to generate for you. And now all you have to do is wait. So now after some time, it generated the whole tool for us. And as you can see what I've written here, it generated for us. And maybe you can have like different colors, different things. So everything what you see here, you can add it with AI. We see the revenue, the pending revenue, total clients, invoices. So this is like the dashboard. Then we're gonna have the clients that I can add a client. And what I've added there, like when you're gonna look here for the clients, contact info, company name, address, text ID, all these like email, iPhone, email and phone, all these things it added for us. So how it works is that right now it made the UI, and now what you can do is that you can just like start using it. Then we're gonna have the items, and what happens now? Okay, so items don't work. Please add them based off text I have written. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna find the kind of like the issues that maybe it didn't do something, maybe it didn't do also invoices. Okay, also invoices. So at start, from my experience, it's going to always do the first two tabs, and then you have to like tell it to do more. And also payments don't work. Okay, and now we're just gonna wait. So it's going to write again. And then you will see like everything is going to be connected together. Now on the workspace, you are going to find users, so you have options to that other people are going to use it too and going to have access to it. And there are going to be users because they are going to log in with Gmail or in like email account. Then you're gonna have data. Here in data, you are going to find all the things you like clients, the items, the invoices. That's where you're gonna find data. In domain, if you want to, you can buy the domain or you can set it up, but you need to have a paid account there. And another thing is that you can also export it, but you need to have like builder plan or something. That's something that I pay for. And then you can actually use it. Then you can have some security here, like who got access to something, like items, payment, invoice, settings, client. And you can change that, like who is going to have access. that right now everybody who's going to create an account, they have they have access to these things. And now you're always just gonna wait. You can go and drink coffee or something or do something while it's going to make for you. So this is very great, is that you don't have to program at all. Okay, so it was finished right now and I want to show you. So here in your preview, when we're gonna look here, you're gonna find the items here that I can just like simply add items. So let's say it's going to be item 1, item code. This is just a description. Okay, and you can have a text right here and you can add item. Now we have also the invoices and the payments. And I don't think this, even the settings here, look at that. So we even have the settings here that you can change, and it looks like insane, right? And like how should, like I didn't have to program anything. And here for the invoices. So when I'm going to create an invoice, look at that. So I have the option to change everything. So we're gonna have the client, we have the due date. I can add also the items from catalog, or I can add, now for example, you see the plus is not working here, therefore I would need to change it. And then let's say we're gonna have the item here, and we can click plus here. Also the plus is for the item. For the description, the price, the taxes, total, and look at that, right? And this is how we can do it. And you can like literally just like edit how much you wanted, what you want to have there. And I just want to make this kind of like the introduction, because then what you have to do is click here on top right, publish app. And if you want to, you can have it as a base 44 app and start using it, right? And just like set up the account and just like use it for you, and you're good to go. So this is pretty much it, how you can make your own invoicing software. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.